The Asif Waziri Palace, also known as the Kurdish House, is a museum of Kurdish heritage and one of the most significant cultural monuments in Sanandaj, located in eastern Kurdistan. This remarkable building, an exemplary piece of Kurdish architecture, was built in 1276 by Asif Waziri, a noble of the Qajar period. As one of Iran's most exquisite historical buildings, it was registered as a national monument of Iran on January 15, 3145 with registration number 1822, covering an area of about 4,000 square meters. The Asif Waziri Palace is a beautiful and unique complex that includes rooms originally used by the nobility. The construction of the Asif Waziri spans on 4 historical periods. The northern section, including the ceremonial hall, adjoining rooms and corridors, as well as some parts of the eastern wing, reflects the Safavid and Zand eras, when the Ardalan Emirate held influence. The eastern and western sides of the outer courtyard, along with the palace's restroom, were built during the early Qajar period. Between 1923 and 1927, the interior spaces were completed, and the entrance gate and part of the celebration hall were rebuilt. From 1999 to 2003, the entire palace underwent restoration, including the courtyard sidewalks and the reconstruction of the servants' yard in its current form.
The architecture of the Asif Waziri dungeon showcasing unique blend of art and elegance, with both interior and exterior spaces spread over 2 floors, totaling around 800 square meters. Interior features courtyard and a pleasant space with a central pond and lush gardens. Hall, a large ornate room with an exquisite plasterwork, mirrors and beautiful paintings. Living rooms, private spaces adorned with delicate decorations and wooden sashes. Bathroom, a traditional bath with unique architecture and intricate tiling. Kitchen with a stove and oven. Exterior features courtyard, a spacious yard, a large pond and tall trees. Hall, a luxurious reception area decorated with splendid plasterwork and wall paintings. Reception rooms, spaces for socializing, featuring eye-catching decor. An area overlooking the courtyard with stone columns and wooden railings. Decorative arts. The Asif Waziri Mansion's decoration reflects the skill and artistry of Qajar-era architects and artisans, incorporating traditional Iranian crafts such as intricate reliefs featuring Islamic motifs, floral designs, and Quranic verses. Wall paintings with historical, religious themes, and natural landscapes. Mirroring, delicate, artistic mirrors covering ceilings and walls. Tiling, vibrant, 7-colored tiles with slender geometric patterns. Museum of Anthropology. Today, the Asif Waziri Mansion serves as the Museum of Anthropology of Kurdistan, preserving and displaying artifacts that illustrate the Kurdish way of life throughout history. Museum sections include displays of pottery, metal and wooden tools and equipment, items related to agriculture, animal husbandry, and crafts, documents, reels on the history and culture of Kurdistan. Cultural importance. The Asif Waziri Mansion holds historical, architectural, and cultural significance as a unique example of Qajar period architecture with intricate decorations, a repository for objects that reflect the lives of the Kurdish people, a symbol of the culture and identity of Kurdistan.